Hello nerds, so in this video we are going to talk about another method to create Git branch. So in my previous video I showed you what is branch and how to create branch, and if you don't know how to create branch and what is branch, I would suggest you watch that video first and come back on this video. Otherwise keep watching this video. So the previous video link is into the description section. So let's begin. So before that, let me show you. So here this is my Git repo, and I already created a couple of branches. One is main and another one is feature A. But in this video I'm gonna show you the another command to create branch. So let's say I want to create a new branch from the main branch. So here on the Git repo on my local setup or local system, I am inside the main branch, and now I'm gonna create a new branch using another command. So the command is git checkout -b and then your new branch name. So I'm gonna say it feature B, and let's create a new branch. So as you can see, our new branch is created. Let's add a new line, echo feature B start. Let's add commit feature B starts and push it, git push origin and branch name. So our changes has been pushed, and let's refresh this page, and let's go to this drop down, and as you can see, one new branch is there on the GitHub. So let's open the test.php from the main branch, which is this, and now let's click on feature B. So as you can see, the feature B line is there on this branch, and let me show you what I have created in feature A in my previous video. So this is the feature A branch. So yeah, simply we have to run this command called git checkout -b and feature B, I mean the branch name you want to have. So this is how another method to create a new Git branch. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.